Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can add someone on Snapchat group. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Next, tap on the chat icon. After that, open the group chat. Now, you can find Add Members option. You can tap on it and then select the person you want to add into the group. Finally, tap on the Done button. And that's it. This is how you can add someone to your Snapchat group.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.